got your LG window air conditioning unit. One thing that's really cool about most of these air conditioning units is they have a built-in GFCI plug. This keeps you from getting shocked, keeps you safe. So once you got your unit plugged in, how do you turn it on? Go over to the power button or use the remote it comes with. Hit power, and then you can kind of choose from 4 settings right here. You have cool, energy saver, fan, and dry. So your cool mode obviously provides cooling. Your energy saver mode provides cooling, but the fan shuts off once you've reached your desired temperature. In your fan mode, you have no cooling but just airflow. And in your dry mode, you can kind of use this as a dehumidifier. You cycle through these modes with this button over here, and you can cycle through your fan speed over here, with F3 being your most powerful setting. Blows pretty strong actually for such a small unit. These kind of units have an integral evaporative condensate device. So the water collects in the bottom in a pan. It's important you install these units level. As that water collects in the bottom, it also gets flung around by actually the fan in the rear, and that causes it to evaporate. So there's no need for a drain or anything like that. No water should leak out of the back of the unit. Everything is contained within this unit itself.
All right, so here I am with my AC unit. I have the remote here. It works really well. I'll give you an example. When I turn it on, it automatically goes to the energy saver mode, and then you'll hear that it comes on now. And this is what it sounds like. And as you can see, this is on the lowest fan setting. So it's fairly loud. I mean, any AC unit is gonna be loud, but it definitely makes a humming noise. The good thing though is that it's definitely a consistent humming noise. So if you're trying to sleep, if you live in a really hot area, you can probably get used to the humming noise. But because the humming noise is so loud, I tend to turn it off at night, especially when it's not hot outside. But that's just something to keep in mind, is that if you went and bought a more expensive unit, it probably wouldn't be as noisy. But this is kind of an inherent problem that all AC units have. That's just how they work. So if you're expecting something that's super quiet, you're gonna be surprised, because even on the lowest mode, it's still fairly loud, but not too bad. Overall, really good product, and I'm happy with it. It has a little fan here where you can point, and then there's plenty of settings, and then this remote is actually really good, so just turn it off.